The opportunity for us to have solar panels on our roof really serves a twofold purpose. Number one, it provides us with the opportunity to lessen our carbon footprint. So we're using less power from the traditional power sources and using free power from the sun. So the power that we use that is free from the sun, we don't have to pay KCP&L for. What we don't use then goes back into the larger power grid for Kansas City.
Well, solar energy from the sun hits the solar panel and knocks off electrons, and whenever electrons start flowing, that creates electricity. There's actually little electric fields in the solar panels that cause all the electrons to move the same way, like a little river of electrons. That creates direct current. But most of the stuff in our house runs off alternating current, so they have to change it from direct into alternating current.
Well, right now, KCP&L has a rebate program for nonprofit organizations and schools to be able to take advantage of solar power. They're actually up on the roof on this building here at the Brookfield, and also on the varsity gym behind us. And as you can see behind me here, these are the inverters. And if you're aware of how solar power works, it takes the sun's energy, converts it into electricity, which is a direct current, sends it down to these inverters, and these inverters convert it into AC electricity that we can put back into the power grid.
And we have a general operations budget. And when we look at trying to pay all of our bills, what we do is if we have any type of surplus left over, we plug it into deferred maintenance.
The idea is wonderful because we're not using fossil fuels, we're not mining anything, there's no air pollution that's associated with solar panels, no emissions problems or water pollution or acid rain or any of those things. So that makes solar panels very environmentally friendly in terms of the alternatives. What we've done at Barstow makes a lot of sense because we're not using that space for anything else.
They've been working on it about 2 months now, and everything is installed. Well, all we're waiting for right now is the authorization from KCP&L. They came out last week, did an inspection, and we're just waiting for them to give the authorization to throw the switch, and we'll be generating our own power here.
It's very exciting, and we're excited to be part of it, doing our bit for the environment and really making Barstow green. We're proving that we can be good global citizens and citizens of our environment.